Alright, you guys, just for your information, he told me that he's doing a 6 against the grain. 6 against the grain. Listen, if anything goes wrong,
that's on me. If anything goes wrong, that's on me.
Intro now available on iTunes and Google Play. Alright, you guys, listen, today is going to be a great day, alright? We got Monta coming, and I know you guys probably don't know what I know you guys are staring at the flowers and the... Listen, okay, listen. This is my wife's Mercedes, alright? She put these little decorative things here, okay? I didn't do this. I have to drive it today. But nevertheless, okay, we got Monta coming in the building. Straight hair waver. Straight from the pages, man. Well, I think he from the pages and Instagram. He on the pages and Instagram. But I think I've seen him on the pages more than Instagram. Correct me if I'm wrong, Monta, but I want to say you're from the pages. But anyway, the pages is where I'm from. That's just where their wave game is taken serious on WRL, Elite Spins, Natural Elites, just pages like that on Facebook. It's actually a group, you know what I mean? So if you a waiver, make sure you add yourself to that group because those groups actually teach you a lot about how to get waves. But nevertheless, let me stop talking. I'm on my way to the job to freshen up my little lineup right now, alright? Monta, I told you, you're not about to be looking fresher than me. I'm about to go touch myself up, spray a little enhancements. You thought I wasn't? Last night I went live, you know what I mean? Just flexing my haircut. Monta thought I didn't want to go. I had to get a haircut because I knew he was going to be looking fresh after he got a haircut. So right now we on our way to the job. J-O-B. To freshen up, freshy. Let go. Y'all must have thought I was playing. Alright, so listen, last night, I was on live on Instagram, and I told Monta, you're not about to be looking fresher than me, okay? And he tried to act like he was finna pull up with some Yeezy heat, okay? Until I whipped out my chunky dunkies and told him I ain't nothing to play with.
Chunky dunkies, I'm like, bro, I apologize for my outburst, bro.
Okay? I whipped it out live last night. Alright, nothing that you guys are gonna see today. But let's see what type of shoe game he working with when he come in. Because right now, I got on my Yebras. Bruh, this past week I've been really ridiculous with all these words. What was the last time I said qualitier? Be able to give quality. I was gonna say qualitier.
What?
Wow. I was gonna say qualitier. I said qualitier. Oh my goodness, my language. But yeah, I got on my zebras today, man. Let's see what he pull up with. Let go. Listen, before I came in here, I told you guys what he was gonna try to do. I told you guys what he was gonna try to do. I understand. It's cool. You ain't have to do me like that.
I told you on the live. I told you on the live.
You ain't have to do me like that, but it's cool. We good.
I got him for retail. I had to flex a little bit. Retail.
Alright, you guys. You got Monta in the building. Let's see if he dipping. I already know what he looking like. It's basically y'all that's gonna be.
I mean, I scalped it like 5-6 weeks ago. So.
5-6 weeks ago?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh man. 5-6 weeks ago, he's recovering from a scalp. So I don't know how. I mean, I do. But recovering from 5 weeks, 6 weeks, yeah, it's pretty impressive. I'm gonna be honest. Alright, you guys. Alright, let's take it off. Let's see the wave check. You got 2 do-rags up under here?
Nah.
Okay, alright. He made it easy. You washed your hair?
Yes.
Oh yeah, let me tell you guys. Listen. You come up in here with grease in your hair.
None of that.
Get out of my chair. Okay? Get out of my chair. You come in here with grease in your hair. Get out of my chair.
Never.
Alright, let's see. Wave check. How, Sway? How? How's your crown like this in 5-6 months? How?
Weeks. Not the months. Weeks. 6 weeks.
How? Spinning. Let's
brushwork.
get into it. Alright, you guys, just for your information, he told me that he's doing a 6 against the grain.
6 against the grain.
6 against the grain. Listen. If anything goes wrong,
That's on me. If anything goes wrong, that's on me. I see he's gonna point at me. That's how you feel? That's how you feel?
let's go.
Chunky Dunkies. I'm like, bro, I apologize for my outburst, bro. I don't want no smoke. Man, the best shoe in my collection is the Cactus Jack 4s.
Oh yeah? Oh, you got those?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You doing something then? You doing something?
There ain't no Chunky Dunkies though. Yeah, I hate Ben and Jerry's ever since that happened. I've been boycotting them. I think it's super dope that you're still in touch with the weight game.
Yeah.
Like even when you came back to cutting, it's dope that you're still on the pages. I thought you were gonna disappear.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm like, oh yeah, he's gonna be busy editing, cutting, everything.
Right.
But you start going live. But you gotta leave the chair alone.
You say I got. The saddest thing is, I'm waiting for it to break. I'm waiting for the day.
I don't think it's gonna break.
You don't think so?
Nah. I had to screen record when you kicked it and you hurt your foot. I had to screen record that. Oh, you did that because.